Firstly, Yamaha is the only company who develop and design total sound solutions including home audio, musical instruments, professional audio, commercial audio, IT, and even car audio. Secondly, Yamaha has over 130 years history to provide sound solutions. With sound and music at its core and know-how in digital and acoustic technology, we can deliver best-in-class sound solution to the market. That is the advantage of Yamaha products. With true sound, Yamaha expand the lineup, and also right now, Yamaha changed our focus from product-oriented to business domain-oriented. Actually, we're gonna expand our coverage of business domains, talking about B2B, from entertainment to corporate and also education. Talking about B2C, from home audio to content sharing and communications such as gaming and streaming. In order to grow our business, we will develop new business domains.